Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got everything finally divided up from my de-stash. I listened to everybody's comments and I spread everything out by brand and started kind of looking at it, and I thought it might be easier just to do it by brand, like all the funky fingers. Now, on some of them, and I wanted to keep it kind of fair to where like everybody got 8 polishes. You know, for every, or no, 10, or 10 or 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, it came out to be an 8. So, this is what I'm going to do. Most of them are done by brands, and there's like 8 of each, and 8 of each. But, some of them, there wasn't 8, like, on this Wet n Wild, it's like 5 of the old bottles and then 3 of the new bottles. So there you've got that. And then some of them I just kind of mixed. Like I've got 3 Sinful colors, 3 NYCs, and then I threw in a Nina and a Wet n Wild, just to make sure that there was 8 in every one of them. Okay, so let me see. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'm going to have 14 prizes here. I've decided what I'm going to do is I'm going to record each bag giveaway. And I'm going to do these as like bonus videos. Like I'll post my regular manicure haul, demo, whatever I'm doing that day. And then the next video I post will be the de-stash giveaway video showing what's going to be given away. If you're interested in that particular giveaway, you'll just leave me a comment on that video and I'll pick a winner from those. Now, I'm not going to come back and announce winners or anything like that. I'm just going to make contact with the person. I'm going to try to make contact with them via the comments, or if I know their email, then I'll go ahead and email them that way too. So, I just wanted to keep this as simple as it could be, since there are going to be so many layers to it. So look forward to the videos, the bonus videos every day that I do them. I might not do them every single day. If I do end up doing them every single day, if I decide to just, you know, like do it like ripping a Band-Aid off. If I decide to do them every day until they're all gone, so that'd be like 1 a day for the next 2 weeks. If I do it that way, then what I'm going to do is wait until they're all done before I ship them out, because I don't want to be making that many trips to the post office. It's not my favorite place right now. It's too cramped. Mine is little bitty, and you have to stand out on the sidewalk just to get in because of the social distancing. So so look forward to these, and I will also, I'm going to throw in one other. You've got to be a subscriber, you got to leave a comment, you got to live in the U.S. because they're nail polishes, and then there's going to be one other rule. If you win one of these, then you're out of the game for the other ones. I'm not going to let somebody win 2 or 3 or 4 of them. I'm going to try to spread it around. I did go through them and make sure that everything looks like it's a pretty good polish. So, you know, everything looks good on my end. I did shake everything up a little bit, so hopefully. Now, I do have 1 or 2 in here that's just got ugly bottle syndrome, and I've shaken it, and the polish is perfectly fine and applies great. You see I did some swatching out on nail wheels to, you know, kind of verify that on some of them that had the ugly bottle syndrome. And so that is it. So stay tuned for the giveaway bonus videos, and I think I'm just going to label them bonus video and, you know, giveaway number whatever. So I look forward to that, and that is it for me today. I want to wish everybody good luck on these giveaways, and until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.